Ready to unlock the full potential of your WhatsApp communication and transform how you connect with your customers? Let's dive into a quick tour of Aisensy. First things first, let's get acquainted with the Aisensy Dashboard. On the left, you'll see the main navigation menu. This is your command center. Click through options like contacts to manage your audience, broadcasts to send out messages, and automations to set up automated flows. Let's start with contacts here. You can easily import, organize, and segment your contacts using tags. Effective segmentation is key to personalized communication, so use tags wisely. Now, for reaching out to your audience, head over to Broadcasts. Craft engaging messages with text, images, videos, and even interactive buttons. Remember to personalize your broadcasts for higher engagement rates. Aisensy's automation features are where the magic happens. Explore the automation section to create custom chatbots and automated workflows. Define trigger events, set conditions, and design action sequences to handle inquiries, provide support, and more, all hands-free. Don't forget to track your performance. The analytics dashboards give you valuable insights into message delivery rates, open rates, and engagement metrics. Use this data to optimize your campaigns and improve your communication strategies. Finally, head to Settings to customize your account preferences, integrate with other tools via APIs, and manage team member access. Tailor Aisensy to perfectly fit your business needs. And that's your express tour of Aisensy. Now you're equipped to leverage its features, automate tasks, and connect with your audience on WhatsApp like never before. Happy communicating!